Hello students, how are you all? Myself Sangeeta Jain representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we will discuss chapter number 1, Numbers Beyond 999 for class 3 Maths. Now students, we will discuss remaining part of this chapter, that is exercise 1.4 and 1.5. In this segment, we will discuss about forming 4-digit numbers, skip counting, more than and less than, even and odd numbers, and rounding of numbers. Now first we will discuss forming 4-digit numbers. Students, you open your book page number 12. Now forming 4-digit numbers from the given 4 digits. So suppose we have digits 3, 7, 0, 8. These are 4 digits and we want to form greatest and smallest number from the given digits. So to form the greatest number, we arrange these digits in descending order. Descending order means greater to smaller. So greatest digit in these digits is 8. So first we write 8 here, then we write 7, then we write 3 and then we write 0. So greatest number को frame करने के लिए this is greatest number of 4 digit, that is 8, 7, 3, 0. Now we want to find smallest number. और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को फॉर्म करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इन डिजिट्स को अरेंज करेंगे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, मीन्स स्मॉलर टू ग्रेटर. सो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 3078. नाउ वी हैव हियर स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट इज 0 and then 3, then 7, then 8. But we not consider this because when we put 0 in the highest place, it forms 3-digit number 378. So we replace these digits, means जो आपकी highest place पर जो 0 है उसको तो हम कहाँ लेकर के जाएंगे, 100th place पर, और जो यहाँ पर 100th place पर है 3, उसको हम लेकर के जाएंगे 1000th place पर. So this is now 4-digit number 3078. Now students, skip counting. Skip counting means you skip the numbers. जैसे you already learn about skip counting of 2s, 5s, 10s. तो हम उसमें क्या करते हैं, 2 नंबर को skip करते हैं, table of 2, table of 5, table of 10. These are skip counting. Now we will discuss here skip counting of hundreds and thousands. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि skip counting hundreds means skipping 100 place. ये 100 place पर जो numbers हैं उनको हम skip करेंगे और tens और ones place remain the same. तो यहाँ पर we have numbers 7108, 7208, 7308, 7408. तो इसमें आपने कौन सी प्लेस को स्किप किया, 100th प्लेस को स्किप किया है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 108 है, 208, 308, 408. तो स्किप कितना हो रहा है, 100 स्किप हो रहा है इसमें. ठीक है, और जो टेंस और वंस प्लेस है दैट इज रिमेन सेम. Now skip counting of thousands means skipping 1000 places. तो इसमें क्या होगा, 1000th place पर जो होगा वो नंबर आपका चेंज होगा और 100 tens and ones place remain the same. So we have here 2845, 3845, 4845, 5845. This is skip counting by thousands. Now students, we will discuss more than and less than. More than means suppose we have number 3856 and we want to write 2 more than this number. So व्हाट इज टू मोर देन? मोर देन मीन्स होता है प्लस करना, और लेस देन मीन्स क्या होता है? सबट्रैक्ट करना, माइनस करना उस नंबर में से। तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास में नंबर है, दिस इज 3856 एंड आई वांट टू राइट टू मोर देन दिस नंबर, टू मोर देन 756। तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर, इसमें 2 को प्लस कर देंगे, दैट इज 756 प्लस 2, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 6 plus 2, 8, this is 5 and this is 7. Now if we want to write less than 2, less than means subtract करना, if we want to write 7 less than 7586, it means we subtract 7 from this number. So 7586 minus 7, it is equals to 6 minus 7 is not possible, we borrow from this, it becomes 7, it becomes 16, 16 minus 7, 9, then 7, then 5 and then 7. So less than means subtraction and more than means addition of the given number. Now we will discuss exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4, question number 1. Page number 13. Build the greatest and the smallest numbers with the given digits using each digit only once. Means जो आपको digits given है उनको सिर्फ आपको एक ही बार use करके greatest और smallest number को form करना है. So a part of this is digits are 3, 8, 2 and 1. And we want to find greatest number. So to find the greatest number, we arrange these digits in descending order. So descending means greater to smaller, and what is the greatest digit in these digits? 8. So we write here 8, then we write 3, then 2 and then 1. So what number we will get? 8321. Now we write smallest number. So to write the smallest number from the given digits, we arrange these digits in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to greater. So which digit is smallest? 1, then 2, then 3, then 8. So first we write 1, 2, 3 and then 8. So what number we will get? 1238. Now question number 2. Skip count in hundreds and complete the pattern. So 4531 and 4631. 4531, 4631, and we want to write next numbers. This is skip count in hundreds. तो आपको कौन सी प्लेस को skip करना है? Hundreds place को skip करना है. Tens and ones place remain the same. So what number we will write in the next? This is 4531, 4631, now 4731. ये नंबर ही आपका चेंज हो रहा है. This is 5, 6 then 7 और tens or ones place remain the same. Now we write 4831, then 4931. अब यहाँ पर देखो 9 है ना, तो 9 के बाद में क्या आता है? 10. तो 10 में हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पर 0 आएगा और यहाँ पर 5 आ जाएगा. So what number we will get? 5031. Understood? यहाँ पर 6 था, then 7, then 8, then 9, अब 10. तो 10 को हम किस तरह से लिखेंगे? So we write here 4010 है यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर 931 है और आपने इसमें 100 प्लस किया. This is 1, 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 0 and this is 1. So 5031 we will get here. Understood how we find this number? Now next is skip count in thousands and complete the pattern. Question number 3, A part. This is 1045, 2045, then next 4 number we want to find in this. Now observe the series. This is 1045, 2045. Now we skip thousands place and hundreds, tens and ones place remain the same. So we write here 3045, 4000, 45, 5000, 45, 6000, 45. It's easy to write the numbers. Now we will discuss rounding of numbers. Students, when we use approximate values means suppose हमारा जो बिल बना है वो 53 रुपीस का बना है एंड when anyone someone asking कि कितने का बिल बना है आपका, तो हम उसको क्या बोल रहे हैं कि 50 रुपीस का बिल बना है. तो ये जो नंबर हमने बताया दैट इज राउंडिंग ऑफ नंबर्स मीन्स हमने 53 को राउंड ऑफ करके अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यूज को बोला है, एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू को नहीं बताया है. ठीक है. सो डे टू डे लाइफ में वी यूज राउंडिंग ऑफ नंबर्स सो मैनी टाइम्स. सो वी लर्न हियर हाउ वी राउंड ऑफ नियरेस्ट 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 place. Now first we will discuss rounding off to the nearest 10. So if we have number 347. So if ones place have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, that time ones place becomes 0 and tens place and hundreds place remains the same here. So we have 7 here. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा +1 हो जाएगा. Means if we have 5 or more than 5 at ones place, that time we add 1 at tens place and ones place becomes 0. So this number will be 350 and if we have number 252. So we observe ones place to rounding of tens place. So we have here 2, it is less than 5. So ones place becomes 0 and remaining digits remains the same here. So what number we will get? 250. Now students, rounding off to the nearest hundreds place. So hundreds place को round off करने के लिए we observe tens place of the number. Suppose we have number 4530. Now we want to round off hundreds place, so we observe tens place. It is less than 3. तो आपके पास में क्या होगा, रूल क्या है कि if tens place have less than 5 numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then tens and ones place becomes 0 and remaining digits remain the same. And if we have more than 5 and equals to 5 number at tens place, then we add 1 at hundreds place and tens place and ones place becomes 0. So we observe tens place for rounding of nearest hundreds. It is 3, it means this is less than 5. Then ones and tens place becomes 0 and remaining digits remains the same. So we get number 4500. Now if we have 5, 6, 7, 9, then we want to rounding off nearest hundreds. So we observe tens place, it is 7, this is greater than 5. So we add 1 at hundreds place and tens and ones place becomes 0. So we get number 5700. Now rounding off टू द नियरेस्ट 1000। तो क्या करेंगे हम, सेम रूल्स को फॉलो करना है, बस आपको क्या करना है, वी ऑब्जर्व hundreds place of the given number now. 3, 8, 9, 5. Now we want to round off thousands place, so we observe hundreds place here. Now it is greater than 5. Greater than 5 होगा तो आपको क्या करना है, add 1 at thousands place and ones, tens and hundreds place becomes 0 and remaining digits remains the same. So 0, 0 and 0 and we add 1 at thousands place, it becomes 4. So what number we will get? 4000 we will get. Now if we have number 5, 0, 1, 2, we want to round off this number nearest 1000, we observe hundreds place, it is 0, it is less than 5. So ones, tens and hundreds place becomes 0 and thousands place remains the same. So we will get 5000. These are the rounding of numbers. Now what is even number and odd number? Even and odd numbers. So if ones place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then number is even. And if ones place of the number is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, then number is odd. So students, we also say if numbers are multiples of 2 और numbers are divisible by 2 means कोई भी number 2 से divide हो रहा है या 2 का multiple है, 2 की टेबल में आता है, that time we say number is even number. और यदि वो 2 से divide नहीं होता है तो number क्या हो जाएगा, odd हो जाएगा. Suppose we have number 32, 50, 724, 648. तो देखो यहाँ पर वंस प्लेस पर 2 है, 5 है, 4 है, 8 है. सपोज वी हैव नंबर 726, यहाँ 6 है. तो इस वंस प्लेस को ऑब्जर्व करके हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि नंबर्स आर इवन और ऑड. सपोज तो दीज नंबर्स आर इवन एंड इफ वी हैव नंबर 31, 59, 373, 445. तो ये यहाँ पर क्या है, यहाँ 1 है, 9 है, 3 है, 5 है. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं, these numbers are odd numbers. Now we will discuss exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. A part of this is 63. Now we want to round off nearest 10. We observe ones place, it is less than 5. So ones place becomes 0 and tens place remains the same. So what we will get, 6060. Now next question number 2. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. So we have a number, A part of this is 586 and we want to round off this number nearest 100. So we observe tens place of this number, it is greater than 5. So we add 1 at hundreds place and ones and tens place becomes 0. So we have number 600. We will get number 600. Now question number 3. A part of this question is round off the following numbers to the nearest 1000. So A part is 6119. Now we want to round off thousands place, we observe hundreds place, it is 1. So hundreds, tens and ones place becomes 0 and thousands place remains the same. So 6000 we will get. Now we will discuss bookwork exercise 1.4. You open your book, page number 13. Build the greatest and the smallest numbers with the given digits using each digit only once. This is question number 1. Digits are a part of this 3821. So to form greatest number, we arrange the digits in descending order. So we write greatest digit first, that is 8, then we write 3, then 2, then 1. So what number we will get? 8321. Now to form the smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to greater. So which is the smallest digit? That is 1, then 2, then 3, then 8. So we arrange these digits in this order. So we will get 1238. Remaining questions you do yourself. Now question number 2 is skip count in the hundreds and complete the pattern. Now a part is 4531, 4631. So we skip 100 place of this number. So we will get 4731, 4831, 4931 and 5031. I already explained on the board. Now remaining question you do yourself. Now next question number 4 is match the following, column A and column B. We match with correct option column A and column B. Now first is 4 more than 2096. 96 से 4 ज़्यादा, more than means add करना. तो अब आपको add क्या करना है, इसमें 4 add करना है 2096 में. When we add 4 in this number, we will get 2100. So where is the correct option? This is third. So we write third in front of A part. Now B part is 1 less than 4000. 4000 से 1 less मतलब subtract करना. तो 4000 में से 1 को आप minus करेंगे. So we will get 3999. So first is the correct option. So we write 1 in front of B. Now C is 10 less than 9989. आप इसमें से 10 को subtract करोगे, less than है तो 10 को subtract करना है. So what we will get here? 9979. So this is the correct option. So we write 7 in front of C. Now remaining parts you do yourself. Now exercise 1.5. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. We already discussed on the board. Now we will discuss B part here. 922 and we want to round off tens place. So we observe ones place, it is less than 5. So ones place becomes 0 and tens place and hundreds place remain the same. So what number we will get? 920. Remaining part you do yourself. Now question number 2 is round off to the following numbers to the nearest 100. Now A part we already discussed. Now we will discuss B part 934. Now we want to round off nearest 100. So we observe tens place, it is 3, it is less than 5. So tens place and ones place becomes 0 and hundreds place remain the same. So what number we will get? 900. Remaining part you do yourself. Now question number 3 is round off the following numbers to the nearest 1000. So we will discuss B part here. This is 7999 and we want to 1000 place round off करना चाहते हैं हम 1000 place को. So we observe hundreds place of this number. It is 9 and 9 is greater than 5. So we add 1 at thousands place and hundreds, tens and ones place becomes 0. So 7 plus 1, 8. So what number we will get? 8,000. Remaining part of this question you do yourself. Now question number 4 is separate and write the even and odd numbers into their respective boxes. You identify even numbers and odd numbers by observing their ones place. I already told you if ones place have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then number is even, and if ones place have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, then the number is odd. So 46 ones place is 6, so this number is even, so we write in this box. Now 83 ones place is 3, so this is odd number and we write in odd numbers box, that is 83. Now next 175, so 5 at ones place we have, so this is odd number, we write in this box. Now 220 ones place is 0, so this is even number, so we write in even numbers box. You do yourself remaining part of this question. That's all for today, students. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye, students. Have a nice day.